the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade jellied cranberry sauce. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 cups of water, 2.5 cups of granulated sugar, and 24 to 30 ounces of fresh cranberries. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. First thing you're going to do is empty your cranberries into a bowl, and you're going to discard of any ones that aren't any good. The mushy ones that look bad. Then we're going to rinse them. Okay guys, once the cranberries are rinsed, we're going to move over to our stove. You should have a large pot ready. Okay guys, next I'm going to empty our cranberries in. Then we're going to add our water. Next we're going to add our sugar. Put your stove on medium heat and mix everything together. Okay guys, I've mixed the sugar and the water in with the cranberries. Next we're going to wait for it to boil, and you're going to stir occasionally. Okay guys, our cranberries are now boiling, and if you look, you can see them, they're popping. They're releasing the pectin into the water and the sugar. So what you want to do is continue to cook and stir, and you want to cook them until your cranberries are reduced by 1/3, and that takes about 25 to 30 minutes. Remember to keep stirring occasionally. They're coming along nicely, as you can see. Sorry for all the steam, but as you can see, they're cooking down nicely. The color is so pretty. Okay guys, this is about after 15 minutes. I just wanted to show you how it was coming along. Look how pretty that color is. They're reducing nicely. So we only got about 5 to 10 more minutes. Okay guys, after 25 to 30 minutes, this is what your sauce should look like now. Now we're going to get a bowl. You want to get a strainer, and we're going to start putting our sauce into the strainer and just removing the juice from it. Okay guys, I have my strainer over my bowl. Now all you want to do is take a spoon and just press down till all your juices go into your bowl. Okay guys, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for this to be left over, and there goes your cranberry sauce down in your bowl. So all you guys do now is throw this out and keep refilling it and mashing it down until you have all your cranberry sauce in your bowl. Okay guys, this is what your cranberry sauce looks like after you're done straining all your cranberries. Now what you want to do is get a bundt cake pan, either the 3-cup size, or you can use the little mini ones like I am. All you want to do is lightly grease the pans, and then you're going to fill them up with your cranberry sauce. Okay guys, I filled my bundt cake pans up, the little mini ones. Now we're going to refrigerate it for 4 hours. See you then. Okay guys, our cranberry sauce is done. And here you have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and come back again. Thank you guys for watching. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef.